primal roar shatters the silence of Nyerere's sun-scorched savanna, where life and peril collide in a raw spectacle. The Rufiji River carves through lush wetlands and sprawling plains. Mighty elephants sculpting the land. Stealthy Nile crocodiles ruling the waters. Cunning hyenas outsmarting rivals. And soaring fish eagles commanding the skies. This is nature's untamed stage, sculpted by forces far older than time itself. Dive into Nyerere's wild heart and uncover its fierce secrets with us. In the heart of Tanzania, where rivers carve through scorching savannas, lies Nyerere National Park, a blazing fortress of the wild. Spanning 11,300 square miles, it's Tanzania's largest national park. Carved from the Northern Selous Game Reserve in 2019 and ranking among the world's top 10 largest parks. Here, birds slice the sky like arrows. Elephants thunder across plains. And predators stalk in shadows. Every heartbeat in Nyerere is a miracle of survival. This land, perched on the edge of the East African Rift Valley, is sculpted by ancient sediments and floodplain silt, a masterpiece millions of years in the making. Nyerere's rugged heart was forged by the East African Rift Valley, where ancient sediments and silt layered over eons to create a mosaic of lowlands, marshes, dry savannas, and thick miombo forests. This land breathes secrets millions of years old. Its tropical climate swings between two rainy seasons, short rains from November to December, and long rains from March to May, and a searing dry season from June to October. Temperatures range from 70 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit, with annual rainfall between 30 and 50 inches, fueling a vibrant web of life. Wetlands, rich in alluvium, support more than 2,100 species of plants. The rift's tectonic shifts, still active, shape jagged cliffs and fertile valleys, hosting unique microclimates where orchids and acacias thrive. During the wet season, floods transform parched plains into lush wetlands, drawing migratory birds from Europe and Asia. The dry season, with its relentless heat, tests survival, forcing species to adapt to scarce water sources. Over 80% of NYERERE's soils are nutrient-rich loams, supporting dense woodlands that shelter elusive predators. This geological crucible, paired with seasonal extremes, crafts a dynamic ecosystem where every root and river tells a story of resilience and adaptation. From this timeless canvas, life erupts in vivid forms. NYERERE is a biological treasure, home to over 2,100 plant species and 430 bird species. At its core, the Rufiji River, a pulsing artery, feeds lush riverine forests and seasonal floodplains. Vervet monkeys chatter like sentinels. Their 36 distinct alarm calls a crucial defense against predators. African fish eagles, with talons like razors, plunge for fish, their presence signaling rich aquatic life. Hippos, lords of the river, sculpt its flow and play a vital role in nourishing aquatic life. Beyond the river, the savanna and miamba woodlands form a battlefield of survival. African elephants, led by wise matriarchs, carve paths through the plains. Their spatial memory pinpointing dozens of water sources in the dry season. Buffalo herds, thousands strong, stand as living fortresses. Yet they're prime targets for lions. Lions, their wild genes preserved by natural isolation, stalk with lethal precision, their roars shaking the night. But in this wild paradise, survival is a brutal dance. The Rufiji River, the lifeblood of Tanzania's Nyerere National Park, sustains a vibrant ecosystem of riverine forests and seasonal floodplains, nurturing a dazzling array of wild animals. This mighty waterway, pulsing through the park's heart, shapes a haven for biodiversity. From tiny insects to colossal predators, where every ripple tells a story of survival. Its lush landscapes, molded by seasonal floods, create a dynamic cradle and battleground for species engaged in a delicate ecological dance. Vervet monkeys, agile acrobats of the Rufiji's riverine forests, animate the treetops with frenetic energy. Living in troops of up to 50, their complex societies mirror human communities. Their chatter, studied extensively at Lake Manyara, forms a precise language of survival. A sharp bark signals a leopard. A low grunt warns of a snake, and a piercing scream alerts the troop to an eagle. This vocal precision enables coordinated defenses, ensuring safety. With keen eyes and nimble limbs, vervets leap across branches, foraging for fruits, leaves, and insects. Their gray-green fur blending with the foliage. Their intelligence shines in recognizing individual voices. Strengthening troop bonds. As prey for predators like leopards and eagles, vervets are vital to the Rufiji's food web. African fish eagles, sentinels of the Rufiji, soar above its waters. Their piercing cries echoing across the floodplains. With wingspans nearing 8 feet, these majestic wild animals dive like daggers to snatch fish with razor-sharp talons. Their success reflects the river's health, tied to abundant fish stocks in nutrient-rich waters. Each dive can yield a 2-pound fish from depths of up to 3 feet. Perched on acacias, their white heads and chestnut bellies stand out as they scan for prey like tilapia or catfish. Mating for life, their haunting duets strengthen pair bonds. Occasionally, they snatch small birds or young crocodiles, showcasing versatility and signaling a thriving aquatic ecosystem. Hippos, daytime rulers of the Rufiji, wallow in its cool depths. Their 4,000-pound bodies submerged to escape the sun's heat. Sharing a 55-million-year-old ancestor with whales. These amphibious wild animals echo their marine past. By day, they lounge in pods of up to 30, their grunts reverberating like a primal chorus. At night, they graze on 88 pounds of grass. Their powerful jaws mowing through vegetation. Their waste fertilizes the river, nourishing phytoplankton that feed fish. Supporting species like fish eagles and crocodiles. Territorial males wield 20-inch canines in fierce clashes. Shaping the river's flow by creating channels and pools that benefit other wild animals. The Nile crocodile, the Rufiji's true king, lurks beneath the surface as a silent terror. These apex predators, stretching up to 18 feet and weighing over 1,500 pounds, deliver a 5,000-pound per square inch bite, the strongest among reptiles. Holding their breath for 2 hours by storing lactic acid. They ambush with eyes and nostrils barely visible. A single strike can fell a buffalo, their serrated teeth locking prey in a fatal grip. Consuming up to 50% of their body weight. They hunt fish to antelopes with ruthless efficiency. Dating back 200 million years, these living dinosaurs are perfectly adapted. Females lay up to 60 eggs in sandy riverbanks, ensuring the next generation. They maintain ecological balance, their stealth inspiring awe and fear. Together, these wild animals weave a narrative of adaptation and resilience. Their lives intertwined with the Rufigee's flow. Beyond the river, the savanna roars with fiercer life. Sustained by this pulsing artery, the savanna and Miumbo woodlands of Nyerere National Park form a brutal yet balanced battlefield. A vivid setting for any wild animal documentary. Shaped by ancient geological forces, this vast arena of grasslands and dense woodlands thrives under the dry season's searing sun and bursts of green from short rains. Acacia and miambo trees anchor a complex ecosystem, supporting wild animals in a delicate dance of survival. Where every stalk of grass and shadowed thicket tells a story of life, peril, and resilience. African elephants, led by wise matriarchs, sculpt the plains, their 14,000-pound bodies leaving lasting marks. Using powerful tusks, they dig wells, creating vital water sources for dozens of species during the dry season. Their spatial memory maps water holes, guiding herds of up to 100. Low-frequency rumbles, traveling miles, coordinate movements, and strengthen bonds. By felling trees, elephants shape habitats for smaller creatures. Acting as ecosystem engineers. Without their wells, species like antelopes and birds would perish in droughts. Buffalo in herds of thousands form living fortresses across the savanna. Their 1,500-pound bodies and 3-foot curved horns, daunting predators. They graze tough grasses, maintaining open plains for smaller herbivores like impalas. Their tight formations protect calves, repelling lion attacks, though a misstep invites disaster. As prime targets for predators, buffalo embody resilience, their unity shaping NYERERE's food web and ensuring survival in a land of constant threats. Lions with untouched wild genes rule with unmatched ferocity, their roars echoing 5 miles. Prides of up to 20 hunt buffalo and zebras with coordinated precision. Females achieving a 30% success rate. Their golden manes and piercing eyes make them icons. Their isolation preserving rare genetic purity. By culling weak prey, lions maintain healthy populations, though rivals like hyenas challenge their reign. Spotted hyenas, defying scavenger stereotypes, hunt 60 to 95% of their food. Their 1,000-pound bite force crushing bones. Living in clans of up to 80, their complex social structure led by dominant females, rivals primates. Eerie whoops, carrying 7 miles, coordinate hunts and warn rivals. Clashing with lions over carcasses. Hyenas' tenacity as hunters and scavengers keeps the plains clean. Shaping predator-prey dynamics. Cheetahs, reaching 75 miles per hour, are built for explosive sprints, their tear-streaked faces iconic. They chase antelopes, securing prey in under 20 seconds. But their genetic diversity, reduced to 0.1 to 4% by ancient bottlenecks, makes them fragile. Solitary or in small groups, they lose carcasses to lions or hyenas. Their vulnerability adds poignancy to the documentary, highlighting survival's delicate balance. African wild dogs, with NYERERE's largest population of 800 to 1,000, hunt with 60 to 90% success. Packs of up to 30 with mottled coats use cooperative strategies, outmatching lone predators. Nurse members care for pups, strengthening bonds. High-pitched yips coordinate relentless chases, exhausting antelopes. Controlling herbivore populations, their thriving presence is a beacon of hope. Angolan giraffes, towering at 18 feet, reach acacia leaves with 18-inch tongues, consuming 75 pounds daily. Their angular spots and graceful sway cover 9 miles a day. Pruning trees, they create open spaces for smaller species. Though their clumsy gallop leaves them vulnerable to lions, their subtle role shapes the savanna's vegetation. Greater kudu, with 5-foot spiral horns, leap 8 feet to evade predators in the Miumbo woodlands. Their striped coats blend into shade, while selective feeding promotes plant diversity. Supporting predators, kudu balance the food chain, their elegance embodying the savanna's intricate web. In the wetlands, life shifts to a wetter rhythm. When rains flood NYERERE's wetlands, life erupts in a vibrant chorus. But in the rocky hills, a silent struggle unfolds. This vivid scene, a living masterpiece for a wild animal documentary, transforms NYERERE's wetlands into a thriving stage during the rainy season. The wetlands sing with life's chorus as water sparks a surge of biodiversity, making it a perfect setting to showcase nature's resilience. Each species plays a unique role in this symphony of survival, captivating viewers with the raw beauty of ecosystems in flux. White-faced, whistling ducks fill the air with their high-pitched calls, like a wind section in an orchestra. Thousands flock to lakes and marshes, drawn by abundant water and food. Their chestnut and white bodies bob on the surface, diving for plants and invertebrates. These social birds thrive in massive groups. Their whistling calls signaling safety as they forage. A spectacle that anchors any wild animal documentary with its unity and energy. Malachite kingfishers dazzle along the river's edge. Their green and blue feathers shimmering like emeralds. Perched on reeds, they dive with pinpoint accuracy to snatch fish or insects. These tiny hunters, no bigger than a sparrow, embody agility. Their vibrant colors and swift movements making them stars of the wetland's dynamic tableau. African bullfrogs emerge with the rains. Their breeding frenzies a chaotic marvel. Armed with true teeth and pseudofangs, they can deliver painful bites even to humans. Buried in the soil during dry months, they erupt into action when floods arrive. Males bellow deep calls, inflating their bodies to attract mates. In temporary pools, they wrestle rivals for breeding rights. Their ferocity and unique traits making them a gripping subject for any wild animal documentary. Red lechwe antelopes move with grace over muddy terrain. Their splayed hooves acting like snowshoes to prevent sinking. Gliding through flooded grasses like dancers, their reddish coats gleam in the rain. Built for speed, they evade predators like crocodiles. Showcasing the wetlands as a haven for specialized survivors. Their elegance adding a fluid rhythm to the scene. Plains zebras with their black and white stripes. Graze tall grasses, acting as natural lawn mowers. Their feeding clears paths for smaller herbivores like impalas. Maintaining grassland health and fostering biodiversity. Each bite shapes the ecosystem. Their methodical grazing in family groups adding calm to the wetland's energy. A balance that highlights nature's interconnectedness. African jacanas, the water walkers, captivate with their oversized feet, allowing them to stride across lily pads. Females, larger than males, defend territories and maintain harems, a rare avian trait. Their black and yellow plumage and delicate movements make them a visual marvel. Embodying the wetland's blend of beauty and ingenuity. A moment of awe-inspiring balance. Yet, in the Rocky Hills, a quieter struggle unfolds. Predators like leopards lurk, their silent battles contrasting the wetland's exuberance. This duality of abundance and conflict defines NYERERE's ecosystem, a narrative of survival and adaptation. The wetlands' rainy season is a breathtaking display of life. From the ducks' harmonious flocks to the jacana's delicate dance. Each species contributes to a vibrant chorus. This living masterpiece, captured in a wild animal documentary, leaves us marveling at nature's intricate balance. As the water recedes from the wetlands, predators move up the rocky hills in search of new prey. NYERERE's rocky hills, a fortress for the fragile, shelter elusive and vulnerable species. Black rhinos, solitary and secretive, roam granite slopes. Their slow reproduction, one calf every 4 to 5 years, making them a poacher's prime target. Clip springers, master rock climbers, leap 25 feet with thick hooves, defying gravity on steep cliffs. Leopards, ghosts of the night, stalk with razor-sharp vision, their silent ambushes a testament to stealth. African rock pythons, Africa's largest snakes, wield a crushing force of 13,000 pounds per square inch, devouring prey twice their size in a suffocating stride. These rocky hills, a natural fortress, stand as a haven for species adapted to its harsh terrain. A scene often captured in a wild animal documentary. Unlike the vibrant wetlands below, this rugged landscape hosts a quiet drama of survival. Where creatures rely on resilience and seclusion. The hill's granite folds protect, but survival here is etched in stone. A testament to endurance against relentless pressures. Black rhinos navigate the granite slopes with caution. Their massive 3,000-pound bodies moving like shadows. Their slow reproduction of one calf every 4 to 5 years makes each birth a rare triumph, but also a vulnerability as poachers target their horns. Rhinos etch their survival in stone. Their dwindling numbers stirring empathy in any wild animal documentary. Their scarred hides, marked by thorny thickets, reflect a battle against both nature and human threats, urging viewers to protect these ancient giants. Clip-springers, small and agile, master the vertical world. Standing barely a yard tall, they leap 25 feet with thick rubbery hooves that grip sheer cliffs. Perched on rocky outcrops, they blend with the stone, scanning for predators. Their acrobatic precision defies gravity, inspiring awe for their ability to thrive in such unforgiving. Africa's largest snakes bring raw power to the fortress. Growing to 20 feet and over 200 pounds, they deliver a crushing grip of 13,000 pounds per square inch, subduing prey twice their size. Coiled in rocky crevices, they strike with speed, enveloping antelopes or lizards in suffocating coils. Their ability to consume massive meals highlights their strength. Making them a captivating subject for any wild animal documentary. Showcasing the hill's hidden might. Yet even this fortress faces unseen threats. Poaching, habitat loss, and climate shifts endanger its inhabitants. Black rhinos teeter on the brink. Their slow reproduction no match for human greed. Leopards and pythons face shrinking territories, while Klipspringer's cliffs offer little defense against encroachment. These challenges underscore the fragility of this sanctuary, where survival hangs in a delicate balance. NYERERE's rocky hills stand as a testament to resilience. A fortress for the fragile where each species carves out existence against the odds. From the rhino's solitary trek to the python's crushing strike, their adaptations inspire awe and empathy. Captured in a wild animal documentary, this silent struggle highlights the beauty and vulnerability of these creatures, urging us to protect their enduring haven before unseen threats unravel its delicate balance. Yet, even this fortress faces unseen threats. Tanzania's wildlife and ecosystems face severe challenges. Poaching has drastically reduced elephant populations in the Selous Game Reserve. Now part of NYERERE National Park, from 109,000 in 2006 to 15,000 by 2014. Black rhinos, with their slow breeding cycle, remain critically endangered. The Julius Nyerere Hydropower Project, producing 2,000 megawatts, disrupts the Rufiji River's natural flooding. This impacts hippos, crocodiles, fish eagles, and wetland species by reducing water flow and altering habitats. Mining operations fragment migration corridors, affecting elephants and buffalo, limiting their access to food and breeding grounds. NYERERE, a flame of life we must shield, pulses with beauty yet teeters on fragility. The Rufiji's flow, savannas roar, and wetlands' vibrant chorus cradle elephants, black rhinos, wild dogs, and jacanas, all fighting to survive poaching, habitat loss, and climate shifts. Act now, share now, save now, spread their story. Support conservation organizations or visit NYERERE responsibly. Share your NYERERE story in the comments. Be a guardian of the wild. Subscribe to join the fight.